Hi there, this is Adrienne Green, Realtor with Sampson Properties, and today I wanted to answer the question that I often get asked about what is the connection between a house's tax assessed value and the house's market value. And the truth is that they're not necessarily connected. In Loudoun County, the standard is, or the norm is, usually houses are selling for above their tax assessed value. Usually their market value is above the tax assessed value. But that's not always the case. And it's not always the case that, let's say, house A, B, and C have the same tax assessed value. That means they should have the same market value. Often it's the case, but not always. There's a lot of specifics that go into market value that are not considered in the tax assessed value. How updated with paint and with other little things that aren't going into that tax assessed value, but are being a consideration in the market value. So and again, Loudoun County, we typically sell above the tax assessed value. But in other counties, that's not necessarily the case. I was just pulling some comps for a purchase in Fauquier County, and in those comps, I saw plenty of houses that sold both above and below their tax assessed value. So in Fauquier County, that same rule doesn't hold true. And so these things can be very area specific. So if you're trying to figure out your house's market value, the best way is really to work with a realtor and get what we call a CMA, a comparative market analysis, where the realtor finds out the details about your house and pulls comparable houses, house sales and listings from the MLS, and uses experience and wisdom to see which houses are most similar and come up with a fair market value for your house. That's the best way to truly find out what your house is worth. Using your assessed value is not a good indicator of the market value at all. So if you're wondering about how your tax assessed value relates to your market value, the answer to the question is the answer we all love to hate. It depends. I'm sorry to have to say that to you, but it really does depend. And the great thing is that a qualified realtor such as myself or someone similar in your local area will be happy to help you out with that. It's no problem at all. I love doing real estate. I love looking at CMAs. I love seeing what houses are worth. I love everything about my job. So any opportunity to do that and help someone is wonderful, and we enjoy it. So thank you for watching today. Adrienne Green, Realtor at Sampson Properties. If you liked the video, make sure to click that down below and subscribe to find out more details about home value and selling your house. Thank you so much. Have a great day.